So I took my 1970 out today to give her a bath. Her name is Angel. And I was heading on my way there, and a little something happened. My youngest daughter and I have a little thing. She loves Mountain Dew, and we used to like playing GTA 5, and in there we would rob the armored trucks. So whenever she sees a Mountain Dew delivery truck, she looks at me and says, we should rob it. And I kind of do the same thing. And now what we started doing is whenever we see one and we're not together, we'll take a picture of it and send it to the other person to show, hey, we should rob this Mountain Dew truck. Well, I happened to see one, and I decided to pull off the highway to get a picture of the car with the truck. Just a little better than just taking a picture of the truck. The thing is I backed in for a good place to get the picture, but there was a plumber who had a big old trailer on the back of his truck, and he just starts backing up. He didn't even need to back up. All he had to do was drive forward, but he starts backing up, doesn't even see the car there, and of course I freaked. Here's what happened. He stopped just in time. I'd say there's probably only about 7 inches, no joke, between that trailer and destroying my car. Well, he took off, and I took the picture, and that was it.